to bridge from FSC to access. 1. Select bridge. 2. Log into website. Type in user and password. 3. If login failure, retype producer number and password. 4. Total of 8 pages. Page 1. Application info. Page 2. Drivers. Page 3. Violations. Page 4. Vehicles. Page 5. Lien holder. Page 6. Coverages. Page 7. Underwriting questions. Page 8. Submit. Page 1. Application info. 1. Update effective date. 2. Confirm or update name. 3. Confirm or update address. 4. Confirm or update phone number. Page 2. Drivers. 1. Confirm name. 2. Confirm current state of license. Ford. MX for international. CE for California. 3. Confirm relationship. 4. If the driver requires SR22, make sure to select SR22 from the FSC and it will bridge over to website. The website doesn't have the option of adding or removing SR22 filing. 5. Select other for occupation. Page 4. Violations. Select continue. Page 5. Vehicles. Select continue. Page 6. Lien holder. Add or update lien holder information. Page 7. Coverages. 1. To add or remove coverage rebridge from FSC. The website doesn't not have the option to update coverages. 2. Select continue. Page 8. Underwriting questions. All questions will be answered. Excluded drivers. 1. Add excluded drivers. 1. Confirm date of birth. 2. Confirm relationship to insured. 3. Add doesn't drive under reason for exclusion. Page 9. Submit. 1. Confirm submission and monthly payments. 2. Select producer automatic draft. 3. Select race. National origin. 4. Select submit.